For the May overhead pull push squat, we've just got the rings set up at a height where you can either do a jump, full body weight. You've got the mixed grip, so crossing over like that, going down to that nice dead hang, and just getting equal reps each side. So you might do a jump version. You might even have it low enough so you can keep your toes on the ground, or you've got the full body weight version. So from there, bring that chest up. Remember your different body positions. You've got the arch to hollow, you've got the half L, you can go to a straddle L, full L, or make it harder. You could obviously just add some weight to it as well to make it a bit harder. But just trying to make it nice and balanced. So for the 4 sets, start 2 of the sets with that side, and halfway through change there, and then the other 2 sets you can start with the other side. So you're initiating with one side compared to the other, which will vary the overall outcome. If you're always starting with the left side on that side, then you're always kind of preferring that. It's always better to kind of get a mixture of both. For the overhead press, just using a box, or you can use a chair just to elevate the hips. You can make it a lot easier just by bending the knees as well. It's quite a good version. And then you need to work on just getting a shrug, getting the alignment in the handstand before you really kind of go into the push-up. But yeah, kind of just getting there. It's easier to get the butt up with the knees bent for a lot of people because of the hamstring flexibility. And then from there you can just do shrugs, or you can come down, touch that forehead and press right up. But you're just having those knees bent, so it's easier to keep that butt over the wrists a bit more, to load it up a bit heavier. For the single leg squat, you can hold on to something if you like, and if you need to, or you can just have the toe down as that knee coming down. So we're just doing a knee tap each side. The full version be like that. If you need to, and you find it a bit easier just to do all the reps on one leg and then change. If you want to load it up, you make it a bit heavier, you use the band. If you've got external load, you can do that. Obviously going into the full pistol is a lot heavier because it's deeper. But if you're still working on that, it's a great interim. Plus, if you get the higher reps, it's quite good as well, and just working on good control of it. So those 3 in a row, depending on the rep range, you'll determine the version. Obviously the higher rep versions, you'll have to make the versions easy enough to get through the reps. And then the lower rep versions, you can do the harder versions for you. But great fun, good workout, get into it.